remember so well the day that you came into my life. You asked for my name. You had the most beautiful smile. Oh, my life started to change. Wake up each day feeling alright with you right by my side. Makes me feel things will work out just fine. How did you know I needed someone like you in love? There is an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life forever. How you brought the sun to shine in my life, and to worries and fears that I tried to stay. It's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you. All those sleepless nights, all the tears I cried, all the pain I kept inside. I kept asking myself why you had to say goodbye. Was it just a dream when you said to me there was someone new in your life? You could have at least lied. The truth just scared me. Even if you mean the whole damn world to me, I can't forget you. Wait and see. I can be strong even without you. I can wait my life forever, hoping you come back to me. But deep inside, I know I'll be waiting here for you. Waiting here for you. Anong kailangan kong gawin upang malaman mo ikaw sa lahat ng nakilala. Sana ay ikaw na nga. Talagay ibang-iba sa lahat ng nakilala. Sana ay ikaw na nga. Sana ay ikaw na nga. Ikaw ang lahat sa akin, kahit ika'y wala sa aking piling. Dapat ba kitang limutin? Paano mapipigil ang isang damdamin kung ang sinisigaw ikaw ang lahat sa akin? At kung hindi ngayon ang panahon upang ika'y mahalin bukas na walang hanggan, hanggang matapos ang kailanman bukas na walang hanggan.